So on this Mercedes-Benz, I found that the lockout switch, which has a red light below, wasn't turning off. So I did my due diligence and found that the master switch is no good. This is the old switch. Take out this old switch, master switch. So originally, let me show you. This has a light that's not turning off. See? So this is a lockout, window up and down lockout switch. So let me just disconnect this. So as you can see, this switch lockout button, see, you can turn it on and off, on and off. So the rear window, that was a problem. I'm able to control the rear window now, down, up. So that was the problem. So let me see if I can control the rear window from here. So right there, control right there. Alright, so I'm gonna reprogram everything. So let me see if I have control right there. So I have control right there again. So this was the window that had problems. So basically, situation is fixed. So lockout, this was the lockout, stuck on, and then I'm able to control it. So we're all set. I'm gonna just recalibrate this thing. Now I'm done. Alright, so by installing my switch, I'm gonna teaching the window that was not working. It's already normalized, so it's supposed to work normal. So I don't have to touch that. So basically my problem is fixed. So let me just reassemble this. So push this right now. So as you can see, throw this in the bin. Very good.